Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Green. I am one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So you can see in this patient we have very soft and squishy wax plugs. We're sticking with the standard size Zollner tube here, or using the standard size Zollner tube. Now you can kind of see as soon as we get a little grip on this wax, the front sort of outer casing where these patients have been using oil tends to suction right into the tube. But the core of these plugs are kind of what makes this an easier job, because as we start to wiggle and try to peel this away from the ear canal, we usually get to slide the whole thing out in one go. Now you can see at the bottom there, this plug is still stuck to the ear canal. So you can see me just kind of wiggling around. No turbo wiggles or anything in this one, just nice little slow ones. So you can see again all this softer wax coming down into the tube. Ear canal's looking a little bit red actually underneath where this wax has been sitting. So we're really trying to get some movement from this plug. They can be quite surprising, these plugs. They look like they'll come out quite easy, but as soon as we try to suction them away, they usually are still stuck somewhere in the ear canal, which is why you see us kind of moving around quite a lot. So this, I believe this would be still kind of holding on down near the recess, the anterior recess. Here we go, straight away, there we are. As soon as we get the good grip, you can see that whole plug just starting to sort of roll forward. Nice juicy little plug there. Wax quite dark in colour. It's usually a sign that this has been here for quite a while. So you can see there's a little bit left deeper in the ear canal. We can already see the eardrum. Patient already hearing so much better. Excuse me guys, bit of a croak in my throat. There we go. Will this whole thing come up? Here we go. Yeah, you can see the whole thing. There's a little bit left up in the corner there, you can see just behind what we removed. So we will eventually get to that little piece that's left. So we're just going to, I think we're going in with the fine end here now, just to sort of clean up a little bit. Eardrum looking nice and healthy. When a patient's used quite a lot of oil, you will tend to see a lot of like staining on the ear canal, so you'll get these little spots here and there which are you know, where the wax is really kind of softened. But this is not a worry. This is not going to make any difference to the patient's hearing. We want to keep this as comfortable as possible, so this will just wash out naturally in the next patient's next shower. There we go, looking nice and healthy. So this is the plug before, and this is the after shot of the eardrum, nice and healthy. So same patient, this is the other side, so very similar story, very sticky looking wax. So we're sticking with the standard size on the tube here. You can already see this kind of stretching slightly, so there's obviously some sort of like dead skin, like a layer of dead skin mixed in amongst this as well. So we're doing the same process here. We're starting at the bottom, trying to lift this plug. You can start to kind of see it starting to unfold a little bit. Again, at this point, we don't know how much of this wax is here, whether it's only a little small plug, whether it's quite long and deep. Here we go, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do we pop some olive oil in? Yes, we popped some olive oil in. So the olive oil, one of the main reasons we use olive oil in clinic, it's not going to soften the wax right now, but what it kind of does is very slightly changes the consistency of the wax. So it allows us to get a slightly better grip, but what the oil also does is kind of lubricates the ear canal. So these plugs that you can see that are kind of stuck on the ear canal, as we start to lift, the oil will sort of push underneath and it stops the wax from re-sticking to the ear canal, which allows us to slide the wax plugs out a lot easier. So putting up a little bit of a fight for us, this plug. You can see it's quite a large plug, so a lot of the time you tend to see these really big plugs are, or can be, depending on the anatomy, can be bigger than the entrance of the ear canal. So a lot of the time we have to try and break up this wax to remove it easier. But I think this does come out all in one go here once we eventually get a good enough little wiggle. You can see it's starting to slightly move. Here we go. There we go, nice big plug. It's bigger than what I thought it was going to be actually. Now, there we go. Again, we've got these little stains of the oil and the wax here and there, but this is the before shot, and this is after. Eardrum again looking nice and healthy. Ear canal a little bit red, but that's just where it's been sat there for a while. So this is what we removed. So we've got about an inch worth of plugs, about just under 3 centimeters. Well, thank you very much guys for watching the video. If you do obviously like these videos, don't forget to like the page, don't forget to leave comments. We will try to answer as many as we possibly can. So thank you guys, and I shall see you on the next one.